How to share your computer screen on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video, we will discuss how to share your computer screen in the Zoom application. Follow the steps below to learn the process easily. Step 1. Start a Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom application. Click on New Meeting to start a meeting. Once the meeting starts, you'll see various options at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Access the Share Screen option. During the meeting, click on the Share Screen button. A new window will appear with different sharing options, including Basic Advanced Files apps. Step 3. Sharing your entire screen. In the Basic tab, select the first option labeled Screen. Click Share, and your entire screen will be shared with participants. Step 4. Sharing a specific window. To share only a specific window, choose the desired application window from the list. Double-click on the selected window to start sharing only that specific content. To stop sharing, click on the Stop Sharing button. Step 5. Sharing a portion of your screen, Advanced Options. Go to the Advanced tab and select Portion of Screen. Choose the specific portion of the screen you want to share. Click Share to start sharing the selected portion only. Step 6. Sharing files and apps. In the Files tab, you can share documents from your system or cloud services. The Apps tab allows you to share specific applications running on your computer. By following these steps, you can efficiently share your screen during Zoom meetings. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.